So today we are going to learn about a new topic, binary search. Binary search is a searching technique for an element from an array where the elements are in sorted order, mainly in non-decreasing order. Here we divide the array in two parts using the middle position calculation in iteration. So it is called binary search because in each iteration the array is getting divided into two parts, so it is actually called binary, and it uses the divide and conquer algorithm, and you will see the algorithm. Here is the algorithm of binary search. Algorithm binary search A, N key, where A is the array and N is the number of elements in the array, and key is the element we want to find in the from the array. Given array A1 is to N, that means N elements are there in the array, and in non-decreasing order where N greater than 0. Determine whether the key element means the element we want to find from the array is present or not. If so, they return the index and such that key equals to a index, else return 0. Return index such that key equals to a index, that means if the key element, that means that element we want to find from the array is present in the array, then return the index of the element from the array. Else case it is not found in the array, then return 0, so that we can understand that the element is not found in the array. So here we are assigning low equals to 1 and high equals to n. Low equals to 1 and high equals to n means the number of elements, and a loop will rotate while low less than equals to high. Do mid equals to low plus high by 2. That means we will calculate the mid using the low and high, the average of the low and high, and we will take the floor of the mid. Then we will check the key with key element. If key equals to a mid, that means if key equals to key is matched with a mid, then return the mid. That means we have found the element in our array in mid position, then we have to return the mid position. Else if key less than a mid, that means key is actually less than a mid, that means the element is less than the middle position index element, so the element must be present in the must or must not be present in the 0 to, that means lower index to mid minus 1. So we have to assign the high by mid minus 1. Else case key greater than a mid, that means the key element, my searched element actually, which I want to find, that element is greater than a mid, that means the element can be found from mid plus 1 to high, so a low will be mid plus 1. So this two will rotate gradually and it will check for the element. If not found, then return 0. If not found, then return 0. That will indicate that the element is not found in my array. Then we will see the code. We have already written the code and we will open it. And here is my code. Firstly we want to see the main function, and we are going to main function. Main function here in int a20 is an array or 20 elements. Key the which the element the name of the variable which we want to find, and n is the number of element. Then we are calling a function called input, and which will by which we will take the input passing the parameter a, the array, and passing the parameter ampersand key. So in the address of key we will store the value of the key element which we want to find, and it will, this input function will return me the value of the number of elements. So we'll go to input method. In input method we are taking the number of elements and it is storing in n. Then enter the number of elements in sorted order. We are taking the element from 1 to n, so we are storing the element, and then we have to take the element we want to find, enter the element you want to search. So here we are assigning the value in k, that means it will be reflected in key because it is a address passing, that means call by reference or call by address. So it will be reflected in my main function, and we are returning the value of n, so it will take the value of n from the input function return. Then we are calling the binary search method with parameter a, n and key. A is the array, n is the number of elements, and key is the elements we want to find. So we'll go to the binary search method, void binary search method int array int n in key. Here we are assigning low equals to 1, high equals to n according to the algorithm we have seen that. Then while low less than equals to high, we are calculating the mid, low plus high by 2. If mid equals to a mid equals to key, then your search element is found in that position. The search element is key and the position is the mid, so we are assigning it key and mid. Then here is a flag equals to 0, we have initialized with equals to 0 firstly. Then if the element is found in this if, then the flag will be reflected by 1 and it will break from my loop, because once we have found the element, it will break my loop. Then else if case a mid less than key. From the algorithm we can see a mid less than equals to key, that means key is greater than a mid, that means low will be increased to mid plus 1 and the key element can be found from mid plus 1 to high. Else case high equals to mid minus 1, because else case means a mid greater than key, that means the key actually less than a mid, that means the key element can be found from low index to mid minus 1. So that's why we have to assign the high equals to mid minus 1. That is actually the code. And then we are checking if flag equals to 0, because we have initialized with flag equals to 0, and if my element is found using this if, then the flag will be reflected by 1, and then this if will not be satisfied and it will not print your search element is not found. If it is found, then it will print the your search element is found. So we have to check the output, and we will check the output from our terminal. So we are checking the output. So enter the number of elements we are assigning. We are giving the inputs as 7, and enter the elements as sorted order. For the simplicity, we are assigning simply 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Then enter the number, enter the element you want to search. Suppose we are we want to search the 60. So your search element 60 is found at 6 position, and it is actually from the code we can visualize it, and we will explain the output from the document. Output explanation. Suppose the array here actually 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and we have to find the element 60. 60 is the key element. So according to the algorithm, low equals to 1, high equals to 7, and key equals to 60. Then we are calculating the mid. 1 plus 7 by 2 equals to 4, and that means a4 equals to 40. a4 equals to 40 from here we can see, and we have to check the conditions. So here we can see that this condition will be satisfied 60 greater than 40, because 60 is my key element and 40 is my a4. That means this condition is satisfied. Key is greater than a mid, that means the low will be increased to mid plus 1, that means 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Then for the next iteration, mid will be calculated by low, that means my low is 5 and high is 7. So 5 plus 7 by 2, floor value will be 6. So now we can see clearly that 60 is equals to a6, that means my key element is found. So we have to return the index 6. So my searching is successful, and we have to return the index 6, because a6 equals to 60, my search element. Thank you.